Welcome viewers. Today we'll learn to find out the cube roots of unity. Let us find the cube root of unity. Find the cube root of unity. What does it mean? Cubic root of 1. Let it be z. Complex number, we'll say. Then 1 whole cube is equal to 1 by 3. This is equal to z cube. So z cube, this 3 cancel. Z cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is a cube minus, this can be written as z cube minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. Now what is a cube minus b cube? You know what is the formula? This is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is z minus 1 into z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So either z minus 1 equal to 0, so z equal to 1. Or z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. What is this? This is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is here? Instead of a we have 1, instead of b we have 1, and instead of c we have also 1. So then what it is? X equal to, or here we have z equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 into 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3. I can write this as z is equal to, now I can write z equal to minus 1. From here I can write this one plus minus root over minus 1 is equal to I square. So I can write I into root 3 divided by 2. I can write this. So this is known, this can be written as omega. Omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. And omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 2. We term it as, this can be written as minus 1 plus root 3I divided by 2, and 1 is minus 1 minus root 3I divided by 2. We termed this omega and omega square. So there is another formula, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. And omega cube is equal to 1. That means 1 into omega square is equal to 1. Let us check omega and omega square. Omega minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. इसको अगर स्क्वायर करते हैं तो क्या आता है, पहले चेक कर लेते हैं कि हम ठीक बोलें कि नहीं. दिस इज 1 माइनस I square into 3 minus 2 into I root 3 divided by 2 divided by 4. So this is my I square is minus 1 minus plus 3 minus 2 I root 3 divided by 4. We can write this as 4 minus 2 I root 3 divided by 4, or I can write 2, take common, 1 take 2 common, 2 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Sorry, this is plus I square. So this is minus 3. So this is 1 minus 3. This is minus 2. And so this is 2. If you take common, this is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. What is this? See, this is minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. So this 2, this 4, this is 4. So this 2 and 4 cancel. This is 2. So this is minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. This is C, this is omega squared. So there is a relation 1 into omega squared is equal to 1. That means omega cube is equal to 1. Children, let us do it again. Let us find the cube root of unity. 1 का क्यूब रूट निकालना है. दिस इज इक्वल टू z. फिर 1 को हम कर देते हैं z क्यूब माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. z क्यूब माइनस 1 whole cube can be written as equal to 0. This is a cube minus b cube. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So this is z minus 1, z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. z minus 1 equal to 0, z equal to 1. इसको हम लोग z से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. इसको अलग से हम एक नाम देते हैं ओमेगा. दिस इज माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस आई रूट 3. 2 हो गया. माइनस 1 प्लस रूट 3 आई बाई 2 को हम ओमेगा और इसको ओमेगा स्क्वायर करना है. आप एक दूसरे को चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. और एक है 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. इसका भी प्रूफ देख लीजिए कैसे करते हैं इसको. 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. 1 तो ठीक है. ओमेगा है माइनस 1 प्लस I root 3 divided by 2, and this is plus minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So let us take the LCM. This is 2 minus I plus I root 3 minus 1, and this is plus I root 3 minus I root 3 divided by 2. So this I root 3 cancel, and this is 2 minus 2, this is by 2, this is 0. So 1 plus omega squared is equal to 0. So we can find out this 1 plus omega squared is equal to 0. So 3 things we have studied. We have studied that omega cube equal to 1, and in the complex number we can represent the complex number in the form of this one. It is the cubic root of 1. Minus 1 is equal to I square. Omega माइनस यहाँ पर माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस आई रूट 3 कर दिए हैं. एक प्लस रूट 3 आई होगा, एक माइनस रूट 3 आई होगा. आप इसको स्क्वायर कीजिएगा तो एक दूसरे का स्क्वायर होता है, एक दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल भी होता है. प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक माय चैनल, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब इट.